ka-wonder. Di kita yan na. Nalulocate. Na-dislocate. And now, we are here at Barcino. Barcino is a Spanish cuisine that you can buy paella, and they have a buy one get one sangria from 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. and 9 p.m. onwards. And I thank you. Yeah, buy one get one, right? Ang inyong sangria?
Yes po.
Yeah, buy one.
Ako lang. Inform nyo lang ako nga na reservation the later for 7 pa man, 7 p.m. pa man sa to.
7 p.m. Doc. Reservation.
May reservation po for 7 p.m. pa man sa to. Alright.
Asa ka part?
Tingnan mo nakamay ko.
Who you wanna see there? You go out. You can see the Sissilex. And then the C and the Sissilex.
Okay na.
Sige, we will just transfer later. Is it okay, miss?
Yes.
Okay. Wanna come upstairs? You will see the wine resto bar. Come. We will have a tour. We're going to the second floor, and this is their wine resto bar. You wanna see the different wines here?
Yeah. Oh, you are the.
Oh, this table is nice. Is this available? No? Wanna see? Available here? Naka-reserve. Consumable?
Consumable la.
What's consumable? How much?
How much?
50,000?
Joke lang ko, okay na kami yan.
50,000. Oh, this place is so nice, but it's consumable. It costs a lot. 50,500. I just can eat only 6,000. This is the Cro de Lebrillo. It's 50,000, no. Okay, let's go down. I was scared with the price. I just wanna tour you around. 1.5. How much kapag a day? So, back to barracks. Wait, I wanna sit here. The Okia. Oh, buy one get one.
Pasta.
Pasta, what do you like? And then duha ka paella der adobo, sa to? Yeah.